Hi guys, it's TJ873 here. This is my LG flip phone I got from a garage sale a while ago. And obviously it works because it's charging finished. And there's two bad things about it, two good things about it. One bad thing, main bad thing, this phone does not have a charger. It didn't come with a charger. Second, the battery to this phone is shot, so it always just be plugged in, and I got this little charger thing, so I don't have it. Actually, I'll show you the ringtones and whatever, that jazz. It's off, you can see. Whatever, U.S. Sailor. Okay, I'll turn it on. I'm turning it on. Call, phone, message, dot, easy edge, download, wireless, settings. This is my ringtone. What? Oh, come on. Shut off. These are the ringtone. This is actually going to be a ringtone video. This one's battery shot, but it works. It's in it. I'll do something. Bring it to the little star, you get it. This phone works perfectly. The battery's just shot. Oh, I just love these ringtones. They're so amazing. I don't actually know when this ringtone's gonna end. Wait, I'm not kidding. I don't have a charger for this phone. It's pretty cool though. This phone does not have a camera. This phone has a lot of ringtones, doesn't it, guys? Yeah, it does. I hope this video doesn't make you dizzy. That's it. See, my wallpaper is a beach. TJ's phone. I love this phone so much, guys. I don't think I have any downloaded apps, so I can't play them. This is what the outside looks like. 454. Oh my. Goodbye. And what's saying that? Please subscribe and like to my channel. And I said that pretty much every video. But the reason I did that is because for a good reason. I need you to do that because I only have 6 subscribers. So that would help me a lot if you please do that. So please do that. And goodbye, like it said. And peace out. Peace out, guys.